Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing great. I'm back with my CVS haul video and I want to say thank you all for joining me. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go grab some deals. The first deal I'm picking up in this video will be a spend 20 get $10 bag, and the first item I'll pick up will be the Scope Squeeze mouthwash concentrate. They are priced at $6.49. I'm going to pick up one. The next item I'm going to pick up will be the Oral-B Vivid 2-count toothbrush, priced at $7.79. To complete this deal, I'll pick up the Crest Pro Health Toothpaste Value 2-pack, priced at $9.29. But when I check the app, it's priced at $7.99. I'll have them adjusted. These three products will total $22.27. We all received a 5 off 3 digital coupon. And we also have another $2 coupon that is attaching to the toothbrush and the toothpaste, and that's only for the 2 packs. Both coupons are going to double dip. I have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $11.27, and I'll get $10 extra care box back. And that will make all three just $1.27 or 42 cents each. This transaction worked out very well. My 2 coupons double dipped and took up $5 and $2, and the $4 CRT came off as well. I used $10 extra care box, paid just $1.27 out of pocket, and I got back the 10, making all three just $1.27 or 42 cents each. The next deal I picked up is on Covergirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box, and it's a limit of 1 per week. I'm going to pick up one of the Covergirl Outlast Lip, priced at $5.29. And the second item I'll pick up will be the Covergirl Brow Pencil, priced at $5.79. Both products will total $11.08. I'll use a $3 digital coupon for the brow pencil. And we all received a $5 off Covergirl product coupon. I'm not going to use the $4 mystery offer we got last week with this deal. I'm saving it for a Revlon deal I will do later on in this video. With these 2 digital coupons, it will drop it down to $3.08 and I'll get $5 back, making it free and it's $1.92 moneymaker. This transaction turned out a better moneymaker because I added 2 20% off CRT I had. One took off 53 cents and the second one took off 42 cents. I paid $1.95 out of pocket and got back $5, making both free and $3.58 moneymaker. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tools. They're on the deal of spend 20 get $8 extra care box, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Colorstay brow pencils, priced at $9.99 each, and both will total $19.98. I'll use the 6 off 2 digital coupon, and that will double dip with another $2.50 off Revlon Colorstay digital coupon. The $4 off mystery offer we got last week that works with Covergirl or Revlon, I will use it with this deal. The coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $7.49 and I'll get $8 back, making both free and 51 cents moneymaker. The next deal I'll pick up in this transaction will be on Maybelline Cosmetics, and they're on tier deal this week. Spend 15 get 5 or spend 20 get 7. This doesn't track, you have to do it in one single transaction. I'm going to pick up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Foundation, priced at $15.79. We have 2 $3 mystery offer CRT, one from last week that extended, and we also received one on Sunday. I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, and I also have a $3 off digital coupon. The 3 CRTs and the coupon will take off $12, dropping it down to $3.79, and I'll get $5 back, making it free and $1.21 moneymaker. This would be my next transaction, and I'll be back with my receipt. This transaction worked out very well. The 2 Revlon coupons double dipped and took off $6 and $2.50, and my instant CRTs came off. I ended up using $10 extra care box, and I paid just $1.27 out of pocket plus tax. And I got back the $8 for spending 20 for the Revlon, and also the $5 for spending 15 for the Maybelline. The next thing I'm picking up is when you buy CeraVe hand and body lotion, acne, sun or facial care, you get $4 extra care box, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up the CeraVe Hydrating Cleansing Bar, priced at $7.79. I'm going to use a $5 off CeraVe CRT. I filmed this on Sunday, but I wasn't able to put it out. That's why you can see that the CRT expired on Sunday. And I'm also using a $2 off any CeraVe product that we got from the 5/5 savings set. That will drop it down to 79 cents, and I'll get $4 extra care box, making it free, and $3.21 money maker. This was a very simple transaction. My $5 CRT came off, and the $2 coupon also came off, leaving me to pay just 79 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got $4 extra care box back. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $6 extra care box on Gillette and Venus disposable razors. I'm going to pick up the Venus disposable razor on sale for $6.99, and I also pick up the Gillette disposable razor on sale for $6.99. Both will total $13.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Venus, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette. After these two coupons apply, it will drop it down to $7.98, and I'll get $6 back, making it just $1.98 or 99 cents each. This transaction also worked out. My 2 coupons came off. I have a $4 off your entire purchase CRT I got in my email that also applied, and I used $2 extra care box, paid $1.98 out of pocket, and I got back $4. This transaction ended up free for me and a $2 money maker, because I used the $4 off your entire purchase. My next deal is buy any Genexa children's product, you get $4 extra care box. I'm going to pick up one price at $7.29. I don't have any coupon for this item, but I have 2% off CRT that I plan on using. I used the 30% off CRT that took off $2.19, and I used another 20% off CRT that took off $1.02. I paid $4.18 out of pocket, and I got back the $4. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making this free and $1.82 money maker. My next deal will be the spend 20 get $5 back, and I'm picking up one of the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $10.79. The second item I'm picking up will be the Scott paper towel 6 big rolls on sale for $5.99. To complete this deal, I'm going to pick up 3 of the Kleenex Cube 60 counts on sale for 3 for $6. These 5 items are going to total $22.78, and I'll use a $1 coupon for the Scott. We have that in our app. We also have a $1 off 3 Kleenex digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.78, and I'll get $5 extra care box. And check your Ibotta, because it's giving back 30 cents on each Kleenex box. After the Ibotta offer, these 5 items will end up costing just $14.88 or $2.98 each. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. My 2 coupons are applied. I ended up using $18 extra care box, and I paid $2.78 out of pocket, and I got back the 5. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta for 30 cents on each box, which made this transaction just $14.88 or $2.98 each. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.